Hello, welcome viewers to this presentation where we are looking at a question that was in Mathematics Paper 2 ECZ exams 2015 question number 1D. The question was drawn from algebra and we were supposed to simplify. How do we simplify this question? That is what I want to help us do. But please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because our channel has all the lessons that one person may need from grade 8 up to 12. Okay? Specifically in line with the Zambian syllabus. That is why we've concentrated. But mathematics is one. Okay? So let us look at the process that we are supposed to carry out in order to simplify this question. So, maybe a better way of putting this question could be factorize and simplify. Factorize and simplify. So we need to look at a way in which we can factorize these, okay? These expressions. So when you look at what we have on the numerator, it's a quadratic expression. It's a quadratic expression, okay? So now, how do we factorize a quadratic expression? The second one, we can factorize it using a difference of two squares. A difference of two squares. So, when we want to factorize a quadratic expression, we say we need to find the product. How do we find the product? We multiply the coefficient of this variable that is squared and a constant here. So this is going to give us negative 10. Then we look at the sum. The sum is the coefficient of this variable that is not squared, which is negative 3. Then we're going to look at the factors. Okay? We look at the factors of negative 10. But those factors of negative 10 are those ones that when we add them, they should give us negative 3. So you will discover that it's negative 5 and 2. Okay? So, using these factors, we need now to expand this part, okay? So, we're going to expand this part now and say 2y squared minus minus 2y minus, this is plus, okay? This is supposed to be plus because this is a positive 5y and minus 5. Over, we can also rewrite this one in a way that leads to the process of factorizing it using a difference of two squares. So we can say y squared minus 1 squared. So we need to factorize this part now using a grouping method, okay? Grouping method of factorization. So when you look at the first part, what is common here? Okay? What is common on the first part is what? 2y. Then here we're going to have y plus 1. Okay? And here we have negative 5. Y plus 1. Because we have factorized a negative, so this one changes into positive. Over, this one gives us what? Okay, going by the rules of the difference of two squares, this is what we are supposed to get. So from this point, now we say for the top one we have 2y minus 5. Then y plus 1 over y plus 1 here. Y minus 1. So at this point, okay, when we get to this point, on the final part, we can check and see, do we have a common factor here? So we discover that y plus 1 is also found here. We have y plus 1. So we can simplify this one. We can get rid of this one, okay, to get the final answer, which is going to be 2y minus 5 over final answer, like I'm saying, it's going to be what? 2y minus 5 over y minus 1. Okay, this is what is going to be our final answer. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our channel is providing the best lessons, and if you have been properly guided as a person who is writing the ECZ exams on how to go about the lessons that were provided on our channel, trust me, there are lessons that can enable you to pass the exam without complications. So, once again, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video, comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.